What's up everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to announce the winners of the giveaway for the Veritas marking gauge and the Veritas dovetail saw. And just to quickly again say thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. I enjoyed this and all the comments that I've gotten, so I hope to be able to do another one of these giveaways soon at my next milestone, which I'm not too far from, so stay tuned for that. And we'll go ahead and get started. And before I do, just a reminder that I do have some free plans on the website. That was one of the giveaways. On my website, twistedwoodshop.com, you can download the plans for this shaker table for free until the end of December. So go check it out and download it. And if you've already downloaded it, I think 70 or 80 people have done that so far. I'd like to hear what you think. What'd you think of the plans? Do they look good? Do they need more detail or less detail? I'd love to have your feedback. So thanks again. This is 9 pages of cut lists and exploded views and a couple of tips and tricks in here. And I think it's pretty informative. So go download it if you haven't already. And thanks again. And we'll go ahead and get started. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and use the random comment picker, and I have the right URL loaded into it, and we will go ahead and pick a name. So the winner of the marking gauge will be Jason. Got here from your shop tour. Best of luck in your venture, hand tools. So Jason, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. The Veritas marking gauge is yours. I will reply to your comment and give you details in the description of this video on how to email me with your address so that I can get this shipped out to you. And I will pick another winner for the Veritas dovetail saw. And that's going to be Seth Fisher. Thanks for sharing your work. Hashtag hand tools. So Seth, thank you so much for watching, and you get the Veritas dovetail saw. Again, I'll leave my email address in the description for you guys to be able to get a hold of me, and I'll reply to your comments to try to get hooked up with you and get your address, and so that I can get these shipped out. So just want to say once again, thanks guys for watching my videos, and keep watching and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I have some pretty cool videos that I'm trying to finish up a video right now of a corner cabinet or cupboard that I'm making. It's a plan out of a Popular Woodworking magazine, and I'm almost finished with it, and I should just get the editing done and have something out by the beginning of next week, so stay tuned for that. And then I have a couple things to do before the end of the year, and then next year is going to be an exciting year for me and woodworking in this channel. So so stay tuned for that, and I hope to get to my next milestone in subscribers soon, and be able to do another giveaway, maybe some better prizes, and we'll go from there. So thanks again for watching, guys.